Family dispute turned deadly as a 39-year-old Jamaican female was shot and killed by her uncle over family inheritance. My viewers and subscribers, wow, what a serious situation. Now, my people, Johnny, remember to please like and share. Now, this incident is a very shocking one that rocked the world in New York City, where this Jamaican female was gunned down by her own flesh and blood over family matters, whether it be land, house, car, you know, they were in a heated altercation with people. You see me? And it seemed as if it escalated from there so to somewhere different. My viewers, this female has been identified as Julia Anderson. You see me? So it alleged that Julia Anderson was sitting inside her Jeep. You see me? Midnight on Tuesday when multiple gunshots were fired through the passenger side window, striking her twice in the chest. She was transported to the New York Health Hospital, Jacob, where she was pronounced dead. The authorities have arrested 58-year-old Michael Foster of Mount Vernon, who is believed to be the victim's uncle. He has also been charged with murder, manslaughter, and 10 counts of criminal possession of weapon. You see me? Investigators say the shooting is believed to be linked to a family dispute involving the inheritance of a home. However, further details surrounding the disagreement have not yet been released. 2 shell casings were recovered at the scene. Investigator continues. The people, John Star, yo, why it have to be Jamaican? Why it have to be Jamaican? Everywhere we go, we cause problem. You see me? I swear, people, them thing are known for at my Jamaica. I swear. Me not like it, my viewers and my subscribers. Them couldn't come together and come to agreement. The man have to end up get rid of his own family member. All because of what? Vanity. Or we got dead left. See you now? The man get rid of my people and him gone to prison now. Oh, that makes sense now, youth. Oh, that makes sense, big man. 58-year-old man gone to prison because of what? Greed. So you want the whole house for yourself. You see me? You want to carry them for yourself. You want the whole inheritance for yourself. So you're greedy. Look at your age. You're a big old man. I swear. Big old man. 58-year-old people, soon 60. Grandfather this. And I run down them thing here. You see me? I swear. But question should be asked. Was a will written? You see me? Was a will written to state that who must get this and who must get that, my people? I swear. No, sir, this rock the world right now, my people. I swear. This one makes CNN news. Why we Jamaican have to get yourself involved in something like this, my people? Una war over some things when I make no sense, brother. The people them dead God have to think them and say, yo, you must take them over now, war over them, my family. This could have been dealt with differently. Why it have to be violence? Why we Jamaican always have turned to violence? Why? It's not a good look, my people. R.I.P. to this young girl. You see me, I tell my viewers and subscribers, and man, it's serious out there, you know. Whether Jamaica or overseas, it's serious. Me I tell you, my people. So, me I tell you again, be careful. The street rough. Because you tell me, say, over one house, you know, somebody drop out. John, boy, not safe. Now, we're going to talk about a man by the name of Indian. Now, Indian pick up some can down a guardsman in Westmoreland. And apparently, Indian did not make it out, my people. The police, them clap him up, knock him down, flat ground. Ain't no joking about this. Youths and youths. Me keep on company up, you know, and tell them, say, yo, put down the baddies. Put it down. It not gonna way out. It nah gone away. You see me? Now in Indian should I say, is 29 years old. You see me? I say my people, young youth. Yeah man, young youth, my people. Yeah, him not live no life yet and thing. Yeah, I see it there. Him got dash a fame on. Him got dash a fame on just like that. I swear. I'm not joking this. I tell the youths my otherwise say, yo, when I choose the wrong company, when I'm a wrong choice in a life and I lose on the 3 points. Yeah, remember I know 3 points alone you have in a youth. And when that gone in your life, done So you can keep on give your phone the 3 points and I make you sight youths and youths. Don't be smart. Don't wise up. Don't buy black and cement and build a house and take care of the mother and all them things and stop make a fool of yourself, rude boy. You see me? Violence not count youths. Me I tell you all around that. On a year, the people seem as if Indian in something with them police, yeah. Yeah man, seem as if Indian go do something wrong and the man them a pre him. So the man probably come back for him and dash him away. Just like that, because we are police and criminal are friend. And I'm not saying Indian are criminal still, but you never can tell. So youths, be smart. Yeah man, don't go the way where you see Indian and go. You see me? Yeah, and don't try the way where you see them police here go, cause them for them corrupt. Now we are gonna move on, my viewers and subscribers, where we get to understand so the toll are gonna raise. I swear Jamaica North South Highway round trip could rise to $5,220. When you hear that, people, you know so much money that Andrew owns a charge in the pocket. Eh? Just imagine that, my people. $5,000 for drive on one road. Road tax money, health bill, and different countries come together to build them road there. And if you have pay feet, my people, Kingston, Jamaica, motorists traveling the full length of the Highway 2000 North-South link could pay $5,200 for a round trip between Caymanas to Ocho Rios under proposed new toll rates published by the government on Thursday. The Ministry of Energy, Transport and Telecommunication is processing a capped toll of $2,610 each day in Class 1 vehicles, up 115 or approximately 4.6%. From 2,496 rates introduced last year. Operators of Class 2 vehicles would pay $5,200 one way. While the proposed toll for Class 3 vehicles, including large truck, is $7,830. That would push the road trip toll for a Class 3 vehicle to $15,660. Motorcycles and other vehicles classified as Class 4 would pay $1,300 each way between Caymanas and Ocho Rios. You hear that, my people? Chat no start. Yo, I'm not joking this, I'm not joking this. The proposed Class 1 toll for a shorter section include 2,280 between Angels and Ocho Rios, 1,575 between Lidstead and Ocho Rios, and 945 between Union Valley and Ocho Rios. The purpose rate between Linford and Ocho Rios is $540. The ministry published the proposed increase after Jamaica North-South Highway Company Limited applied its annual adjustment in the toll tariffs. The concession agreement between the highway operator and the state-owned National Road Operating and Constructing Company allows the concessions to apply annually for an increase. Concessionaires to apply annually for an increase. The ministry said it intends to arm the Highway 2000 North-South link toll order to vary the toll payable by each class of vehicle. I swear. So guys, I'm gonna prepare for that. Yeah man. All who drive a country, prepare for that. Especially all the ultra race, I'm sorry for you. Because right now the government I dig out everything out on the pocket. And I've make sure to pay the toll. Arrest and get themselves in a problem. Then we can move on, people. We talk about an elderly landlord charged after allegedly cutting locks and robbing tenant. The people that one are funny. Look here, my viewers. You see, if you have a good landlord, give God thanks. Yeah, man. If you have a good landlord, you have to give God thanks. Because me I tell them things they're hard to forget nowadays, now people. Because just imagine, you get to understand, say, same landlord will get a place. They might come in your house and rob you and all them things. I cut all your locks. Cut all the locks off of the door and all them things on the grill. A 69-year-old old man has been charged with breaches of the Rent Restriction Act and housebreaking and larceny after allegedly stealing 400,000 in coins from a tenant. Charged are Lloyd Gonzalez, otherwise called Guns, a landlord of a St. Catherine address. Jaja said the man take over 400,000 in coin, my people. Jah no star. Yo. At them landlord are wicked. At them landlord is a thief. Eh? Imagine the man a pay him rent, you know, and you end up a thief. Jaja. I swear we are move on, people. Police plead guilty to manslaughter in shooting death of girlfriend in St. Mary. You know hear that, people? Policeman plead guilty. And enough of them police boy do things on a quiet, you know, and now get charged. The policeman charged with the shooting death of girlfriend during a dispute at the woman's house in Richmond, St. Mary in June last year has pleaded guilty. 24-year-old police Constable Patrick Walters was charged with murder but pleaded guilty to the lesser offense of manslaughter. You see me? And using the firearm to commit a felony in the St. Mary parish in the St. Mary Circuit Court yesterday. No star. No. Them police boys are easy. Yeah. And them police boys are general. Now, we are going to move on again, people. We're going to talk about a 15-year-old girl. Yeah. Her name is Whitney Powell. She has been missing. You see me? Whitney Powell gone. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that about 2 p.m. on Wednesday, July 15, Powell was last seen at home. Her dress mode at the time she went missing is unknown. Our effort to locate her have proven futile. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 167 centimeters, 5 feet inches tall. You see me? Anyone know her whereabouts is asked to call the Hunts Bay police station at 923-711. Okay, that's 923-711. John was up to them find our people. Because I know some of this, you know, and the kids are out, want to have fun and kind of different things. You see me I say? The people, the great Stephen Francis will be arrested on August the 15th. You see me? The Thanksgiving service for the late head coach and founder of the MVP track club, Stephen Francis, will be held on Saturday, August 15 at the National Indoor Sports Center in Kingston. In making an announcement during the sitting of Parliament on Tuesday, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Oliver Grange, said Francis' ultimate departure has left a void not only in the track and field community, but also in the soul of the nation. People, I'm going to say RIP again. And go on, do you think? As I say, it's a good look. You see me? Let's go and enjoy the rest of the event. So viewers, only stay tuned. See me? Remember to please like and share. Go and do anything. I'm out. Yeah, my people gone. Mm-hmm.